Good afternoon, everybody, from the Flying Can Ranch. What we're going to talk about today is the Wesson pellet only. It's got a rifle steel barrel. We're running hold grips on it. Get a little safety right behind the hammer here. Right up here is how you release your cylinder. And like I said, this is the pellet only version, so you can get this in many configurations: blued, chrome, 2.5 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch. But this is the only one offered with the pellet only barrel, to my knowledge. It has a beautiful sort of a bluish gray finish. So, you know, straight up, if you got oily hands, you're going to need a lot of oily rags to get along with it, keep her nice and clean. To me, the action on this is probably one of the smoothest I have of any of my copies on my pellet pistols. It's very smooth. It has good weight, good feel. I'll give you a little gun history. I think when the Wesson came out, they were in a strict competition with the Colt Python. And to me, the Colt Python was considered the Rolls Royce of handguns, and that title kind of sticks today. But personally, I think this gun here was built a little bit more for field use. It's a little more rugged, good hunting pistol. I've shot the real deal. I've shot the Colt Python. Love them both. We're going to come over here, zoom this up, see if we can run off about 12 shots. My little running buddy coming up on me again. Always got to have something to play with. I've been playing with the sights a little bit with this. I had one video made, but it really tapped the screen and killed it. So let's sit her down here and see what we can do. Get out of the way! Six. Yeah. Stop. Well, you can see there she hits pretty solid. I'll show you a couple of cans I hit making them sights. Got it scattered around. Can I had on I messed the video up, was right here. And she was dead on the money. Did real good. One thing I'd like to note on this, we're going to come back over here for a minute. One thing I learned about air guns is they're very, very peculiar about their ammo. And most of my little wheel guns, I like to run these right here. I've had real good luck with them. You know, from here, Crossman, Destroyer, 177 4.5. It's a 7.4 gram. And they seem to work real good. So, if you really like air guns, you collect air guns, you like to shoot air guns, I highly recommend this gun. The action's good. It's fairly accurate. Like I said, I've been playing with the sights all morning. I love the finish. Of course, you're going to have to wipe it down every time you're done. That's all there is to it. But it's a really, really a good air gun. I like it. And I haven't had any problems with it yet. I just love it. The feel of it, the action of it. You can buy accessory rails and all kinds of goodies for it. You can get extra shells. I think they come in a 25 pack. I think if you were to own one of these, you would really enjoy it. And that's how it is at the Flying Can Ranch. Thank you, and we'll talk to y'all later.